Show them that you're eating the food. Show them that you like it. Eat it. It's good for you. Eat. What did I say earlier? You dropped everything. She literally drops everything.
I'm literally gonna drop kick you if you don't stop bragging on me. So we're making quinoa pancakes today. Have you ever made quinoa pancakes?
No.
Good, me either.
So quinoa is like a rice substitute, right?
It's a seed, and it's a gluten-free seed. Wow.
I'm on a high gluten diet.
Wait. We have no bacon for that.
What else do we have that we can make? Because you got groceries the other day. How about this? How about we make, for old time's sake, what if we make eggs? And I flip the eggs.
All right, welcome to Girl Simulator, where you have a girl in your house. Beep, beep, boop, boop. I am woman.
Welcome to Jackass Simulator, where I exist.
This is not a simulator. I can't hear anything.
Okay, so let's do it on the side so they can see better. Put it on the side so they can see better.
I don't
Wait,
want
why are
them,
you?
I don't want them to see better.
I don't see how this is gonna turn into pancakes.
Do you believe in me?
No, I don't. What is like the country of origin? Yeah.
I think it's America.
Are pancakes American?
But then again, we are Americans, so we have no idea. This looks like a good batter, honestly.
No, it does not. It looks like water. It needs to be much thicker. I think you gotta put
No,
more.
it doesn't. The reason why, you know why? Because I know how quinoa works. Haha. I have something
That you
of knowledge. No. Fine, ladies and gentlemen of the stream here, to see, to witness. Behold the beauty. Brandon, put it in.
Okay, so this is gonna work for sure?
Yeah. Test pancake number 1.
Okay.
Are you excited? This is a healthy pancake.
Maybe, I don't know.
Eat this.
Can I?
Yes.
It's popping.
Well, that's what happens when it's cooking.
Why? It hurts. What if it hits you, it burns you forever?
That's why I'm wearing protective gear.
Oh.
It's called...
Look at how wet your shirt
It's
is.
called woman's skin. I'm just kidding.
Go make eggs.
But what if this actually turns out good?
I mean, I bet it will.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You're lying to me!
I'm not.
Do you want to flip it? You can flip perfect, yeah?
No, there's too much oil in this to flip.
Flip it. Flip
Oh
it.
man.
Flip
There's
it.
too much oil to flip it, I think.
It looks actually good.
Should I flip it? I don't know. If I can flip this successfully.
Flip it.
It's been a long time since we've done this, but you know the drill, okay? If I can take it and I can flip it successfully,
I will watch a 2-hour video of you
This is
watching yourself.
this is what's gonna happen,
Watching
chat.
a video of yourself.
If I can flip it successfully, if you have a Twitch Prime available, 3, 2, 1. Frick! It just collapsed in the middle of the air. It just split apart. This is not. It literally just.
No, it didn't! You broke it!
It shattered in the middle of the air.
It's okay, this is fun.
Bonnie's beautiful quinoa protein pancake. Mmm,
Yo,
good.
it
With
has
blueberries.
Potential. It has potential, right? Like, I thought it had potential. I've let you down. My mother's watching. I've let her down. My little brothers are watching. I've let them down. I have older brothers, but they've already been disappointed in me, so. Wait. Can we try one more time?
Okay, we can try one more time. But I think it needs more flour.
An idea.
I think it needs more flour.
You think it needs more flour?
Yeah, I actually do.
Can we taste this?
You can taste it. I don't know about we. This is plastic. You're not supposed to leave it in here.
Get up and honey, the fire is off.
Yeah, it's still
The
hot.
fire is off.
It's still hot.
That looks okay. For a start.
That looks gross. Eat it.
Does it smell like pancake?
Wait, it does kind of smell like a pancake.
So it kind of smells like a cat.
He's moving a cat. Does your cat smell like pancakes? What do you feed it?
Apparently.
Wait, really? Is it good?
Yeah.
Wait, really?
That's okay. You want to taste it?
Yeah. This is bad. This is like ass, Bonnie.
It tastes like vegan food.
It tastes like ass, like I said.
No.
Did you put flour in there?
Look at it. There's flour.
I'm blind. If humidity goes up, her hair will explode. Hold. Flip. Hey!
Woo!
Pretty good.
That's what I'm talking about.
Pretty good.
That right there is the old American way. That right there, I tell you what. Ain't nowhere else in the world are you gonna find quinoa pancakes the way that these quinoa pancakes are made. With the love of a brother and sister. Show the other side.
Okay, 1 egg. Chat, the taste test. We're gonna taste Bonnie's pancake.
And poison.
Not again. Banana. It's actually not bad. I think for vegan food, it's not bad. It tastes like it doesn't like a pancake. It doesn't taste like a pancake, but it does.
That's good.
Yeah. Hey, nice. That was sick, wasn't it? That was actually sick.
Riddled me impressed.
High five. You too. You flipped that too.
Thanks. I flipped that.
A little bit of Tony's makes life a whole lot better.
Hey!
Oh!
Hey!
Nice! That was sick. High five. High five. That was sick.
I'm good at
Nice. A little bit of Tony's. A little bit of Tony's. Wait, what? Bonnie! 5-second rule. Oh my. Good job, Bonnie. Should I try yours?
That's mine?
This is mine.
Oh, should you try it? Should you try it?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't it be good?
No, I want you to try yours first.
Oh, you want me to try mine first? This
Yeah.
one's mine.
Wait. Oh. Yeah, this was mine. Mine broke.
No, this is really good.
Really? Nice.
Nice. Not too chubby. Yeah. That is a fried egg. Over medium hard.
That's actually, show them. Oh my, holy, look at that. Look at the, oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the yolk. It's hard, so hard, but there's a thin line of soft, gooey yolk right in the middle. Oh my gosh, that is the most beautiful over hard/medium egg I've ever seen in my life. What the frick? Isn't that gorgeous? Come on, show them.
Frick.
Get your, look at that, isn't that amazing? Wow. Actually incredible. That's one of the best eggs I've ever made. Show them that you're eating the food. Show them that you like it. Eat it. It's good for you. This is Camp S-Fan diet. Eat. Eat.